Banged away for 6. Forrester just giving a glimpse of what he can do.
No, they do. 4 more. So, excellent few balls here. Yeah, that was the problem that Vince faced. You know, he knew that.
Oh, tossed it up, outside off, looking for a wicket, and got thumped. 6 runs. Forrester with a superb blow.
And he goes after it, helps himself to the first maximum. There's a catch in the crowd. Was there? No, it's been put down.
It was full, and his eyes lit up as he realised there's an opportunity to clear the boundary yet again. The third 6 of his innings.
Shot. Nicely squeezed out. Opens the face of the blade, Forrester.
He wants more runs. He'll get 6. They have saved the bonus point. Mike.